Question 20. So it's given the range. Theta is from 0 to 360. Find the greatest value of 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Okay, method 1. So actually we know that sine theta, okay, the range will be from 0, it should be sine theta will be starting from -1 to 1. But then sine square theta have a range of 0 to 1. And for 2 sine square theta would lead to 0 to 2, while negative 2 sine square theta will become we will change the sign, therefore we swap it. Okay, from the 0 larger than or equal to expressions, and then larger than or equal to -2. And if we add a 1 minus 1, adding 1 in front of them, so it will be 1 and -1. So we want the greatest value, right? Therefore the answer is C. So you need to write a lot of stuff before you get the correct answer. Therefore method 2. For method 2, it's easier because what we need to think about is that today we are just looking at finding the greatest value of these expressions. Then what do we need for our sine square theta? Because 1 minus something, right? We want the 1 minus something, okay? And the sine square theta, we need to find out the minimum for the sine square theta. And by looking at the expressions, by looking at the range, sine square theta, the minimum is 0. Therefore, our value the greatest value is just 1 minus 2 times 0. Therefore, it's 1. Okay, then for method 2, it will be faster by looking at the logic here. If we want the greatest value, so 1 minus something that is minimum, and what is sine square theta minimum? It should be 0. And then substitute the 0 into sine square theta, we get the greatest value for the 1 minus 2 sine square theta.